So today we are talking about silver. Indians, anywhere from India, we are used to wearing silver on our body. So why should we wear silver? What's the benefit of wearing silver on the body, especially for women?
Okay, gold and silver, these two has a very big significance with our traditional part of life. Right from many thousands of years ago, we have been using many kinds of metals for jewelry, ornaments, and all that. We use gold and silver. So your question is silver. So silver has a lot of significance when we wear it, especially for the ladies. Even the men used to wear kadkan, that is the earrings in the ears, and they also used to wear silver chain those days in the leg.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, even men used to wear silver chain in their legs. So the first and foremost is these two precious metals has their own value of money right from those days. Okay. I remember when I was in school, young in a primary school, I remember my mother used to buy a sovereign of gold 8 grams for 200 bucks, 200 Indian rupees.
Okay.
This was in 1965, 66 I'm talking. Okay. Today it is around 40,000 or whatever you call it. Silver has its own medical value. I don't know how much that the present civilization knows about it. Especially below your hip, you should not wear any gold. It's not good for you. You cannot wear a leg chain in gold. It's wrong. Because it gives you negative effect. Any gold that you want to wear, you're a man or a woman, you have to wear it from the hip and above, not below.
Not below.
Yeah. That's why if you see that Aranyan Kairi, they tie a thread around their hip, the lower part of the hip.
Right.
It's also, if they want to do it in metal, they do it only with silver, not with gold.
Silver, yeah, never gold. Right.
Yeah. So ladies, those days, it's a must to wear a silver chain in the leg, both the legs. Why? Because this silver chain wearing in the leg neutralize your acidic condition of the blood by contacting your skin.
Okay.
Yeah. If you are highly acidic with your plasma, the silver chain becomes dark within few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So as and when it becomes dark, you have to clean it up and put it, otherwise no use. You know, they wear a metti, you know, that the second finger when you get married. You know what is metti?
Touring, yeah, touring.
Yeah. That they, when you get married only, they put it in your finger, in your leg, second finger. Right? You have seen that?
Yeah.
All South Indian wedding, if you see, they'll wear metti. I don't know about the North Indian wedding. That is also not made in gold. It's only made in silver.
It's only made in silver.
Because gold should not be used below the hip. And that is a significance to know that this girl is married or not by looking at your feet.
By looking at.
Yeah. But silver chain is a must for every lady. If you wear silver chain, many people do not like the noise, that bell noise. It's, when you walk, the noise comes, you know, those small things making noise. Yeah, they remove that and wear it. But a silver chain as broad as, good enough by half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch, the more contact with your skin gives you health benefit by neutralizing your acidity in the plasma of your blood. Whenever it becomes more and more darker, that are getting oxidized, then you have to take it out and then, you know, wash it, remove all the blackness by, you know, rubbing it with many things, make it a sparkling silver color back again and wear them. It hardly takes about an hour for you to do it. The elders looking at your leg, looking at your chain getting black, they say, please clean it up and put it. This is why they wear silver. That silver chain has got such a medical benefit for you when you wear them. You should wear them continuously. That is the significance of silver. Otherwise, normally other jewelries are made only with gold.
With gold, right?
Yeah. Nowadays, people make jewelry with silver and coat it with gold. That also, it's no harm, but cheaper way of making things. But silver has this particular significance. Say, suppose if you have a lot of silver articles at home, small tumbler, spoon, whatever, take about half a kg of it, put it in a cloth bag, tie it up.
Cloth bag?
Yeah, cloth bag, and tie it up. Put it inside your tank, water tank. It keeps your water so clean.
Okay.
It can cleanse your water to a very large extent. But when you pull them out after 7, 8 months or 6 months, 4, 5 months, whatever, it will all be dark in color. You can always clean it up and put it back. There are friends of mine who are doing that. Yeah. This is the significance of the silver when you wear them in your legs as leg chain. Okay, thank you.